If you're installing EnergyShield Pro and treating it as your weather-resistant barrier, we have to make sure that all of our flashings are brought back to that drainage plane. We also have to respect that our flashings need to be shingled from the top of the wall to the bottom. Today we're going to show you how to flash a penetration using a liquid flashing product as one approach to this method. So what I do is I start by gunning the product out onto the head jamb here, and then using a common auto body spatula, auto body filler spreader, just start tooling it out smooth. With this product we need to make sure that we can't see the substrate through it, and that allows us to know that we're at the proper thickness. So as long as you can't see any of the material underneath, you've achieved the proper application thickness. So after liquid flashing your opening, it's prepped and waterproof and ready for a window install. The alternative method is that you can use a Jamb liner. In this case, we've installed both as a belt and suspenders approach. Check out atlasrwi.com for further specs and details, and our other videos as well on the subject.